My God. Oh! Ah! Oh. So, it's Friday and welcome back with another channel. So I'm stuck in on the house or whatever. Pretty much, I hate when this camera's like set up. But, oh, I like how it shows the green light when it's filming. Or whatever, but anywho, I guess I gotta do these, I don't know. But anywho, y'all, so, I got some packages that I'm gonna open up or whatever, and I got clothes to fold up, so it's been like one of those Fridays, and plus I'm eating on a snack, a pack of cookies, whatever. But let me tell you my little day, whatever. So I woke up this morning, I made up my bed, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Louie. I made up my bed, whatever, girl. So I would like me some stage or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I need to get my tripod. So I would like me some stage or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Blessing my high. My room up, whatever. Now, girl, in the midst of me blessing my house in my room, I don't know. Hey, I'm on the way. Did I make up? I did something different today. Okay. Period. Okay. Let me get my charger. I just got done watching Ratchet. Well, I watched Ratchet last night, which is a really, really good show. So if you like watching movies on Netflix, please watch Ratchet, whatever. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. 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 Let me see if y'all can see. Break it down. All right, like that, better. So I was I need some water now. I'm thirsty. And then made me thirsty. I ain't got no water. So anywho, girl, I was in here staging my room up, and in the midst of me staging my room, blessing my room, you know, feel like I do whatever. Girl, the house alarm go off. Girl, so the people in the house alarm was like, do you need fire marshal assistance? I said no. Can you identify the house code? Girl, I ain't know the house code. You know what I'm saying? I was like, what's the code? So I had to call Big Daddy. I called Big Daddy. I was like, hey, you know, Big Daddy, what's the code? He's like, it's blah, blah, blah. So she had to call him, you know, get the code, girl. So I had to call. I said, girl, we ain't no own damn code to the house. That's damn shit. But good thing we got it down. So, the anywho, I got some packages I want to open up. I'm just gonna open them and I'll review them later. Cool. So we got some makeup here. We got some makeup. Okay. We got some makeup. Kiss My Mac. I was gonna say kiss my ass for a minute. But this is gorgeous. I'm gonna do the review later. So let's open it. I'm just gonna show y'all what it's looking like. I'll review it later, whatever. Okay. Also, this is the second one that she sent me, whatever. So, this is what I got. Okay. I'll do all that. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, there you go. Okay, cool. So we'll do that later. We'll play with that later. I just want to open up the gifts and show y'all what we got. Pretty much what I got for today. And I'll do the reviews later. Because I definitely want to do a review with y'all on the makeup, whatever. And how I like it and how I feel about it, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So, okay. Good makeup, though. I would say that. Good girl. She's a good girl. All right. I got another package. What's in here? Damn. Girl, it's really in here. Okay. Hello, that's weird. What's this, honey? Let me see that. That's all. Oh, some lip gloss. Okay, some lip gloss. Okay. Let me see. I thought it was cancer. Who in there seeing some candy? So it's lip gloss, okay? Some lip gloss. Okay, I'm going to do a review on that one too. I got your Instagram card. Oh, look at these. Oh, this is cute. Got little flowers in here. Real flowers. So fancy. Oh, fancy up in here. Okay, so I'll do a review on that one too. I'll come back to that one, do a review. And all of that. I'm just gonna show y'all, and then I think tomorrow I'm gonna do a review on the gifts and stuff. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look, you gotta smell it too. Oh my God. This is cute. Chanel's and pearls to keep the girls. Yes, honey. It's not Chanel though, but you know. Come on. I'm gonna shout them out. Come on, man. Come on. Yes, Chanel's and pearls to keep the girls. I feel such a lady with this though. Okay. Okay, I got me a purse. Got a purse. Okay. Gifts just keeps coming and coming. Ooh, they take you down. All these diamonds and jewels and stuff, honey. These people really, they be going in on the packages, honey, don't they? All diamonds and jewels. Yeah. What'd I get? Oh, a set of nails. Oh my God. A set of nails. Well, look at here. My back is killing me. That is cute. Y'all look at that. Oh my God, look at that. A set of nails. Real cute. Okay, I'm gonna do a video on that. I'm definitely do a video on that one. Girl got me a set of nails. Come on now. Come on now, wait a minute. How many pairs did she send? She sent 1 pair, 2 pairs. I like the letter. Wait a minute, we got some more up in here. Come on now. It's a whole beauty salon up in here, girl. Ooh, let me see. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is nice. Look at that. It's something nice. This can go for an earring. I think it's a necklace though. But I don't know. I got to smell the jewelry though. But that's cute though. All I need is a necklace. What a necklace with it? Or an interchange come with it. But that's cute though. Come on. Look, girl, thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna do a review on that one too. Gotta thank them. Gotta thank them. Oh my God. And girl, we got another one. Okay, I got some reviews to do. I got some reviews to do, girl. Getting all these diamonds and stuff. Okay, I got some reviews to do. Alright, last but not least, this is the last one. What's up in here? Look, I need something sharp to open this up. Oh, but they got this taped down up in here good. My back is killing me. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. They got it taped down in here good. Okay. Oh my God. Oh! Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh my God. I think I might save this video. Oh my God. I got a whole collection. I got a whole collection. I got the whole collection. I'm gonna call you back. I mean, I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm back. I had to collect my thought. I called my cousin, whatever. I was just too excited for this collection. But hold on. And the reason why I was so excited, because, oh my God, like I have the whole collection. I got the umbrella, which I'm going to show. I know that says bad luck, but I don't believe bad luck in the house, whatever. So I got the umbrella. I have the umbrella, or whatever. Not only, wait a minute. Not only I got the umbrella, I'm doing a review tomorrow. Not only I have the umbrella, I got the cup. Okay, color rain, color rain, color rain, colored rain. Color rain. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Like, I'm doing a review tomorrow, yes. So I have the umbrella. I got the umbrella. I got the brochure. The brochure, honey. And I have this. I'm gonna do some swatches for y'all. And I have the palette, the cup. Girl, I got it all. The things. That was a thumbnail. Oh God. So I'm gonna do some swatches. Some swatches for you guys. Like, that's how excited I am. I'm like excited. Okay. So I'm gonna do some, and this girl. Okay, here we go. So this is it. Okay, this is the first palette. But the second palette, you get like a little book. Or whatever. Oh my God, girl. Like, I don't, I get excited for makeup. I do. It's like I'm on crack or something. I don't know. So I get excited. Look at that. Cute little book. Okay, let's do some swatches. Let's do some swatches, okay? So, let me see. Let me push it back some, whatever. Okay, cool. Want y'all to see what's going on. So, we're going to do this one. Ooh. And you only need one swipe, really. So, I'm going to do, okay. Swipe, ooh. Check that out. Girl, check that out. Okay, I'm going to swipe them all. Because I want y'all to see all of them. I want y'all to, okay, all of them. That's the gold. Ooh, come on, gold. Oh, God, okay. And, ooh, let me do this pink. Let's swipe the pink. Let me do one more swipe. It only takes one, but my skin is so dark, so, you know, I want to be darkening it up. Okay, so let me do the red. Ooh, look at that nasty red. Oh, my God. Y'all. Ooh, I don't know how to act. Okay, I like, ooh, the orange, the yellow. Oh, my God. I mean, I don't even know how to act right now. Look at this. Look at these swatches. Look at that. Y'all. Color rain! Color rain! Color rain! Color rain! Look at that. Those white bags. So look. So yeah, those are cute. Oh my God. Color rain! Color rain! Okay. So, okay, girl. Look. Just look. Color rain. Juicy. Okay. Now this little booklet, it's not like the same colors on here. Just it's it's single, I think. Yeah, so basically the same ones. It's just different or whatever. So same ones. I don't care because I still love it anyway. But I think this is like a little carry on. Just like if I don't want to carry the big one, which I am anyway, but it's gonna carry the small one. Let me see him open it up. So they both the same. I don't care. I love them both. But look at that nasty, nasty brown. Ooh, look at that brown. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, somebody in trouble. Ooh, somebody in trouble. For real, I'm serious. I'm so serious. Somebody in trouble. Yeah, tomorrow I'm definitely doing a review. I gotta do a review on this. I love this makeup company. Like, this is the only makeup company that reached out to me and responded. So thank you, Color Rain. I'm so proud. I'm so proud and honored. When I do a Color Rain party, please send for me. Whenever I do the Color Rain party in the mansion and all that kind of stuff, okay? Just send for me, okay? Because I love you guys. And I am going to do a review tomorrow, okay? Because I love Color Rain. For real. I love Color Rain. I really, really do. I really, really do. I love Color Rain. I really, really do. I just love their collection. I do. I do. Y'all, I never get excited with stuff, but man, this made my night right here. Man, look at that. Look at that. I got the makeup, I got the cup, and I got the umbrella. Girl, stop playing with me. I should have taken this straw too, though. But yes, tomorrow I'm definitely doing a review on this. Come on with it. Honey, yeah. It's like I won a Grammy. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And they got me a girl. They even gave me a brochure. How many makeup companies? They gave me a brochure. Oh, and look at this black, beautiful queen. Look how dark and beautiful she is. You a bad bitch. You know you a bad bitch. Look at her. That's a bad bitch. I wish that was me right there. But girl, that is me right there. Because you a bad black bitch. And I know you You know, in a good way. Pretty girl. All right. Come on, Color Rain. Girl, yes. Tomorrow I'm doing a review. Y'all better stay tuned. I ain't about to play with y'all. I done got excited. I don't know. Girl. Oh, they did send me a straw. Oh my God. Why y'all be treating me like this? Y'all be treating me like that. They did send me a straw. I'm gonna get me some wine tomorrow. Tomorrow, get me some wine. Yep, sure is. Get me some wine tomorrow. And we're gonna have makeup and wine with Color Rain. For real, for real. I'm serious. I'm so serious. Oh my God. I don't even know what to do. I don't know how to act. I don't even know what color I'm gonna wear tomorrow. Oh God, I don't even know what color to wear. Oh, I'm so overwhelmed. I might do orange. Oh, I might do that nasty green. Oh, no, I might do that nasty pink right there. Oh, that nasty pink and red. I don't know what to do tomorrow. I'm doing something tomorrow. I'm just excited. Like, it's a blessing, man. I swear. It's a blessing. It is a blessing. It really is. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Something told me to go to my P.O. box. And I did. Oh, man. I ain't know how to act. I got the umbrella. And the makeup. Baby. Baby. You a bad bitch. I think that's why I be thanking God for the positions I am in and where I'm at, because baby, I've always wanted to receive makeup from makeup companies and brands and stuff. And I didn't know how to act on that last video, y'all. I about died. Girl, they sent the receipt, honey. You better send the receipt. Oh my God, I'm overwhelmed. Okay, so I'm gonna put that to the side. Okay, yeah. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me go all that away, whatever, but y'all. Oh my God. Well, this is tonight's wig that I have on. That's looking cuter than this one. Big big on there. But you know, I love this wig. I love my wig that I have on. I did have to cut one of my braids off because the wig wasn't really fitting up well, but check out this makeup look though. I actually just put this on the wig tonight, yeah. So, yeah, I gotta pull up clothes, like, girl, I ain't know what to do right now. Like, I'm just overwhelmed. And look at this lighting, whatever. So, you know, it's a blessing. It's definitely a blessing to receive stuff like that, you know. And, I mean, wow. I'm like, me, but yeah. Yeah, you. I get emotional. I know I shouldn't. Probably just, I don't know, I just, emotions, you know. So, I gotta keep together, man. But look at these swatches, though. It is gorgeous. Wait till Christmas come. Oh my God. I want to take this off right now and do a review. That's how bad I'm ready to do a review, but I'm gonna wait. Because tomorrow I'm gonna do my review sitting right here. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna do my review sitting right here. I wish I had like a table or whatever that I can put right here and have my makeup, you know, on the side, whatever, and just chilling. I might need to find a table, whatever. Because I'm definitely doing a review right here, right here. Yeah. Okay, so, no part of emotional stuff, whatever. So, I thought about doing Freaky Friday, but I'm gonna go Freaky Friday on, Instagram, whatever. Normally I would have somewhere to go, but I think I gotta start getting back into taking myself out on dates because now the world's starting to open up. Just start taking yourself out on dates, whatever. And I miss doing that. I miss taking myself out on dates and going and having fun by myself because sometimes your friends don't want to go with you. That's fine. You know what I'm saying? But I am very grateful. I really am. I may not put as much work as I should, as I need to put in, as I need, I would say. And also, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me get my lipstick. So I have a whole collection of Color-Rain. And matter of fact, this is one of their lipsticks. I have a whole collection of their lipsticks. This is Color-Rain. I have a whole collection. And this is like, I need my glasses. I can't read that right now. But yeah, this is one of the lipsticks that I love by Color-Rain. See, I like a good nude. I love a good nude. So, and it's so smooth too, though. See? Oh, God. Ooh. Let me get closer for y'all. Girl, come on, Color-Rain. I have a whole lipstick collection by Color-Rain. I have a whole lot of collection. See? Isn't that cute? That's cute. What? There we go. I might put too much on there though. But yes, I have a whole collection, and I just love saying that. Like I have a whole collection because I actually do. I have a whole collection of lipstick that they sent me, and I'm just excited. So yes, tomorrow I'll be doing a review on this. I'm just excited right now. I'm just very excited. It's amazing right now. And yeah, just very excited. I don't know what to do to myself. Thank you, Jesus. But I'm gonna go, okay? And y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video for me. I should have had the light on earlier, but I just put on today, and I gotta wash my hands. But I love y'all, and I'll be back with another video. It's the second day. Boom, bam, wham, bam. Welcome back with another channel. Goodbye with another channel.